OCGN has agreed to grant stock options to purchase an aggregate of 6,750 shares of its common stock and restricted stock units, RSUs, covering an aggregate of 1,150 shares of common stock. This grant is in addition to the options the company already granted to its employees. These options will expire in 2024. The stock options and RSUs are granted as of December 16, 2021, as material inducements to employment in accordance with Nasdaq listing. The stock options have a 10-year term and have an exercise price of $5.02 per share, which is the closing price of OCGN's common stock on the grant date. The stock options and RSUs are granted outside of OCGN's 2019 Equity Incentive Plan. These stock options and RSUs have a 5-year term and have an exercise price of 50 cents per share. The terms of the options and RSUs are subject to the applicable new employees' continued service with OCGN through the applicable vesting dates.